The rumor mill is buzzing with excitement about the highly anticipated Canon R5 Mark II. If the latest leaks and whispers turn out to be true, this camera could be an absolute game-changer for content creators like us. From what we've gathered, the R5 Mark II seems poised to take the beloved original R5 and push it to new heights in terms of performance and capabilities. Let's dive in and unpack all the juicy details that have been spilling out about this upcoming powerhouse. From the snippets of information we've gathered, it seems Canon is gearing up to drop this newcomer sooner than we thought. The sources indicate the R5 Mark II could be announced as early as the end of April or in May 2024, with shipping expected to kick off in the June-July timeframe. If the rumors hold true, this new iteration is shaping up to be a real powerhouse. We've heard whispers of some impressive specs that could give the original R5 a serious run for its money. For starters, the word on the street is that the R5 Mark II will pack a beefy 45 MP BSI CMOS image sensor. And get this, it's said to feature a stacked design, which could unlock all sorts of performance upgrades. Diving a bit deeper, the new DSLR is also rumored to rock a 3.2-inch OLED articulating display, giving you the flexibility to frame up those perfect shots from any angle. And the good news keeps on coming. Apparently, Canon has decided to ditch the mechanical shutter this time around, opting instead for an all-electronic solution. Now, you might be wondering how that electronic shutter will affect the camera's capabilities. Well, if the chatter is accurate, the R5 Mark II will be able to blaze through shots at up to 60 frames per second. That's a serious boost in burst shooting performance compared to the original R5's 20 frames per second. But wait, there's more. Rumor has it the new processor under the hood, let's call it the Digic X Plus for now, will unlock some seriously advanced autofocus capabilities. Apparently, Canon has been cooking up some next-level AI-powered AF features that could give this camera superhuman subject tracking abilities. Of course, no modern Canon camera would be complete without robust video chops. And it seems the R5 Mark II is poised to deliver in a big way. We're talking 8K raw video capture, along with the ability to shoot 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second. Plus, you'll reportedly have access to Canon Log 1, 2, and 3 profiles for maximum post-processing flexibility. Now, we know a lot of you out there have been longing for an R5 successor that can really go the distance without overheating. Well, if the rumors hold true, Canon may have addressed that pain point as well. Word on the street is that the R5 Mark II will forgo the mechanical shutter in favor of a fully electronic solution, which could help keep things running cool and steady, even during those marathon video sessions. Of course, we'll have to wait and see how all of these rumored specs translate to real-world performance. But if Canon can pull it off, the R5 Mark II could be a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Just imagine the creative possibilities with that powerful 45 MP sensor, lightning-fast burst shooting, and robust 8K video capabilities all packed into a compact, mirrorless body. Now, we know a lot of you out there have been eagerly awaiting news on the R5 Mark II, and it seems the rumor mill has been a bit quiet lately, which is pretty standard operating procedure for Canon ahead of a major product announcement. But if the chatter we've heard is any indication, it won't be long before the veil is lifted, and we get the full scoop on this highly anticipated camera. In the meantime, we'll be keeping a close eye on the situation, scouring the internet for any additional leaks or insights. And you can bet we'll be among the first to share the latest updates as soon as they become available. So, that's all about the Canon R5 Mark II. Do let us know what you think about this. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.